Hi, my name is Rara. This is my first digital portfolio. Now, I'm going to share and explain what the activity was, what I learned best, and what my reflection was during semester 2. This picture or video was taken when I did measurement. I learned about how to measure width and length using measuring tools. I need to improve my counting skill.